I'm back and I was really happy, but I was just riding some scooter wheelies and I got pulled over. And it's like, just frustrating. Call it illegal. I know, it's a wheelie. Technically my state has no wheelie law. So it's weird. Guy gave me a 0-point ticket, acted cool. It's still not cool. I'm on a moped. I'm in my neighborhood. Leave me alone. So anyways, I am going to show you what I did today, and it is a pretty cool little mod for skidoos. Also, you know, I'm getting excited. So I took this off of my MXZ Sport and I replaced it with the piece that has the pre-filters, and it's really simple. I'll put the parts in the description. It's been documented on the forums, do talk. I just wanted to make a video to show you how easy it really is. These just have speed nuts on them, holding them on. And so I actually have them right here. So here is the speed nuts. The speed nuts, as you know, just are on like that. They get, pressed down. So anyways, when you remove this, you just pop them up with like a flathead and then grab them with some pliers and twist them, pull them off. This gets pushed out of the front of the sled, and then you pop in the new piece and add the screws, the self-tappers. All right, so this is the pre-filter that I installed. I replaced this. So pretty simple install. But what you add now is also this piece, which has these two foam pieces. I bought a used one on eBay because it had all the foam already on it. But basically this mates up to your clutch cover, and this is a 2025 MXZ, so it already has this newer clutch cover. This comes in a kit you can buy, where you can buy, it comes with this, and that. But if you already have an MXZ Sport, it's cool because you already got this to mate up. So all I needed was this, which, I said I got this, and this together. Otherwise you have to buy the two foam pieces separately from the Duct here. And then you now know you don't have the speed nuts, because the little arms that, these right here that stick through the plastic, you now put screws into them. So I bought 4 screws because I added them to another order I made, and they were out of, I couldn't get 6. So I still got to replace 2, but that's it. You just drive these screws in, and you can kind of see how that mates up there. Where's the alignment there? Oh, there we go. Okay, so yeah, it just makes the MXZ Sport a little nicer, gives you that clutch cooling that I've heard you need. Also, I've heard that it puts a little heat on your right boot, so that could be nice.